Good evening, Texans. If you are like me and get many emails in your inbox, you are probably not a big fan of the reply all feature that sometimes puts a few extra items in our inbox. And so we can't control the people who have the urge to hit reply all or maybe even accidentally hit reply all and send us some extra emails. But what we can do is when we send out a mass email to a large group of people, there is a way to prevent people from replying all. I'm going to show you that little trick really quickly. So first of all, you're going to want to send the email actually to yourself. So I'm going to send the email to myself. There I am. And so then what I'm going to do, and of course I'll fill out the subject and all of those good things, but as I'm getting ready to send the email, if I already have an address book set up or address group set up, I'm going to hit this CC button right here. And then I am able to go in and I can blind copy somebody here. Now I'm going to blind copy a large group. So let's say I want to send something out to the NHS faculty. It's a large group, right? So I'm going to find that under my contacts. And you see under my contacts, I have all of my large groups here. And so here's NHS staff. I'm going to highlight NHS staff. And then I'm going to hit the BCC button. And now I am blind copying an email to the entire NHS staff. I click OK, and then I can type my subject here and whatever else it is that I want to send out to the NHS staff. And when I hit send, it'll hit send to me, but it'll also blind copy the NHS staff here, and then they will not be present. You won't see everybody's names and email addresses up here in the to line, and you won't be able to receive a reply all. This is also a wonderful strategy when you are sending out an email to a group of parents, because you don't want to give the parents one another's emails. That's not polite to do that because these parents might not want everybody else to have their emails, and they certainly don't want to receive the replies. So send the email to yourself with a blind copy to your group, and that'll save everybody else a whole lot of headaches and also you some headaches. So there's your tip for the day.